Hi guys, in this video we will see how to manually update Microsoft Defender, Windows Defender Firewall. You can easily or manually update Windows Defender Firewall. Here is the process, very simple. Right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the settings, from the left side of settings page, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here click on Windows Security. Here choose virus and threat protection. Click on it. A new page will open, virus and threat protection. Here scroll down and you will find virus and threat protection updates. Choose protection settings, protection updates. Here scroll down and you will find the option check for updates. Click on check for updates. It will take some time. Wait for it will update. So very easy to update manually. You can receive a message update successfully. Last update time and also available. So you can manually update Windows Defender Firewall. That's all.